So today's video, we're going to look at a Launchpad that I was watching a YouTube video the other day. It was by, I think it was by FOMO Factory, and he talks about Decubate all the time. So I wanted to check it out because it looked pretty interesting to me, and it is actually pretty good. Okay. Look at all these good projects it has. InterSwap, IDO, is it Oxia Origin, Legends of Elysium. They have a lot of them. Chappies, Trade Tomato, WorkX. They have a bunch of different projects on here, and a lot of them are up and coming. Okay, so when they come out, you know, that's going to be a lovely thing. You guys can kind of check this out on your own. But today's video, I found one that was really interesting that I liked. Okay, meet Octavia. Okay, she's going to be your new Web3 AI assistant. Okay, she starts February 18th of 2024. It's an IDO event. The token price is going to be 10 cents. 200,000 USD is going to be the total allocation. VIA is going to be the token symbol, VIA. It's going to be on the BNB Smart Chain. Q1 2024 is going to be the CEX listing date. Okay, and 7 days they have a refund deadline. Okay, and that's a lovely thing. That way, you know, you sign up for it. You know, you do everything you need to do, and you know, when she releases and all that, and you don't like how I don't like how my money's looking. Give me my money back. So it seems like you have a 7-day deadline to do that. Okay. She's going to be your cutting edge AI assistant designated to help you with your crypto needs. Okay, that is just interesting. Check this out. Aside from a bunch of other stuff that it says, let me tell you, she has a strong foundation in crypto knowledge. Okay, this is the part of it that just tripped me out. A strong foundation in crypto knowledge, direct access to on-chain information, and a connection to the internet. Octavia is your ultimate sidekick for research, trading, and more. So she's gonna be pretty much an all-around helper. And you know, we all, hey, even the big YouTubers, bro, I know they know what they're doing, but we all need help doing that. I won't say we need help, but I will say that it would be lovely for us to be able to get that extra assistance to help us find out more deeper and in-depth information about these projects that we are researching on a daily basis. You know what I mean? And their vesting schedule for the public round is going to be 15% on TGE and then 8 months of linear vesting. Okay, and the main key features of Octavia: real memory. Okay, she learns from your preferences over time. Blockchain awareness, that's crazy right there. Octavia can get accurate information from the chain. Okay, there's web access, voice assistant, you can talk to her via voice from anywhere. Trade with Octavia. This is the one right here that almost jumped out my damn seat. Trade with Octavia. You'll soon be able to ask Octavia to buy and sell for you. Automated trading. You'll be able to automate advanced trading strategies with 6/Octavia. Here's an example they gave. So you will tell Octavia, you'll say, hey Octavia, sell my, hey Octavia baby, sell my Bitcoin for USDC if there's extremely bearish news from the US markets. And she will seek out that information and do what you told her to do. Pete, let me introduce you to her though. Bam! Look at that. There she go. Meet Octavia, your Web3 assistant. I mean, oh, this is the, let me go back up. This is the, hold on. Okay, I like how the little lights come up out of there. It's community power driven. Let me see if it's not gonna let me go back up. Let me see. No. Okay, well, I was trying to get back to that very first screen. Someone asked her a question and then she answered it right there. But check it out though, Crypto Sidekick, Crypto Insights and Analysis. Check this out. This is your Crypto Sidekick. Crypto Insights and Analysis, automatic web tasks, integrate Twitter for easy sharing, detailed project research, and more. Okay, there's a lot of different things to this. See if we can pull up her features. This wasn't pulling up a little earlier. It's probably my computer. It'd be tripping. But to get your access to Octavia on-demand research, it's going to give you a little bit of information about how to sign up. Okay, this is going to be their partnership page, Gains and Associates, Decubate, ChainGPT, FinScepter, 8Bond, GMX, Pin Fabric, Moon Boots. It's just a bunch of different partnerships. Why Octavia? Okay, that's what people are going to ask. Why should we choose Octavia? Okay, experienced team. The founder of Octavia was responsible for growing a platform to 3 million visits per month. Okay, KYC and partner with Assured DeFi, committed to security, MVP live now. And you have the first on-chain AI, which is just lovely. We're building the first on-chain AI with effectively no competitors in the space. We have a first mover's advantage, okay? So you guys can come, like I said, do your research on this. Don't see this video and start dumping money into these projects. Well, even though you can't right now, you have to wait a couple of weeks, but still, you want to make sure you guys do deep dive in-depth information into these projects, okay? Because you don't want to lose your money. All right, so this is going to be like another little document that they're going to give you. It's going to give you light paper project information. Okay, I already have the tokenomics pulled up, but check this out. Okay, they give you a complete separate form with their tokenomics, with a total raise on about almost 3.5 million. So we'll roll like this. Initial market cap without liquidity is going to be almost 400k. The initial market cap with liquidity is going to be almost 800k. Okay, initial circulating supply is going to be 7.73%. Okay, so it's looking like seed round, private, KOL, public round. So total and all that, they raised about almost $3.5 million. Allocation of the total supply so far is going to be 44.50%. The amount of tokens, which is going to be a bit over 44 million. It's almost 45 million tokens. The token alley, they have seed round, private, KOL. Gives you lots of information here. Vesting schedules. It's going to tell you the percentage of supply unlocked at TGE. It kind of gives you everything that you need to see. Allocation breakdown, complete. Cumulative vesting. It's going to let you know a little bit of everything here. So you guys make sure you do your research on this before you guys start putting money into this. But it has a lot of information, a lot of things you can really go over and flip the numbers around and all that good stuff, and make sure that it's right for you to invest in. This is going to be their tier system here. They have base, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. The first one, this is what I have, is the base tier, which is free. Like I said, I have not, I'm a brokey, so I have not gotten to these stages yet. If you would like to upgrade your tier system, they have 10,000 DCB tokens, which is Decubate tokens. So you would have to actually stake this amount in order to get bronze allocation, and it's gonna kind of, it will, once you upgrade, it'll kind of figure out how much of an allocation you're going to get. This is going to kind of let you know the membership, how to get in to become an investor. You want to create a Decubate account, and be sure to successfully complete both the identity and wallet verification. It's the identity one that I have not completed yet, so I'm still kind of looking into that. I'm kind of skeptical doing this thing, so I'm gonna check on it, but I'm gonna try my best to take care of this. I'm just skeptical, man. This is crypto, baby. You can buy Decubate tokens from PancakeSwap or Bitmart. Okay, secure your Decubate membership by staking. Okay, you're going to stake into their staking pools, which I will show you in a moment. To increase your level, you simply meet the corresponding staking requirements. Your membership level will appear on the upper right hand side of the Decubate platform. Okay, so let's see here. Let's go here, where you will go and you will stake. Okay, now it's crazy. Once you sign up and all that, and you get your, even in the free tier, they give you a little sample, you know, of Decubate tokens, and it's right here in this compound bounty. I remember there was another, I think it's the Tectonic token, I think something like that, on Tectonic.finance, where you can click a claim bounty, and they give you these rewards, those staking rewards for everyone with this Decubate token, which is lovely. Okay, I know when I've been looking at this at the website now for maybe about less than an hour, and there was about 38 it was 0.38 Decubate token right here, and now it's 0.58. so even though it does say 3 cents, you know, I know that ain't shit, so what, it's free money. Okay, I don't care if it's 1 cent, you know, and if you just let this build, it will build. Okay, 3 cents now, and once I finish handling my business and, you know, put more Decubate tokens down for staking, you know, your allocation will grow from there. Okay, and these are, they have active pools. You can come down and you can kind of click on this, and you will, you know, you will make sure your wallet is already you know, connected, and then you put however much you want to stake, blah blah blah, you know, all that good stuff like that. Okay, so oh, they also have legacy staking, which I'm not really too sure what that means, but I am looking at that. And over here, like I said, I have 5 Decubate tokens, and it's about 25 cents worth. You know, you can claim it, put it into your wallet, or you can let it build. You know, I remember, like I said a little while by that other .finance website that I was on, that I was doing that. I would come about once a week and kind of claim my bounty, you know, kind of just put them in my wallet. But there's another legacy staking. Like I said, it's all these compounding rates. Here it's going to give you the days, 180 days, 30 days, 90 days. You know, this is yearly here, 4.92%. So plus 40% on this one because it's a longer stake period. So you guys can come on here to Decubate and check this out. I mean, decubate.com. It's a Launchpad, and it's lovely. There's a lot of things that I did not show you guys. You guys can do your research on there. I'm still doing my research on this platform. I really like it so far. Okay, so you know, and especially that you're able to get I think what was the word they used, the word exposure. You're able to get exposure to this. You're able to basically get a sample, you know what I mean? Get a sample of it without having to, you know, stake all these damn tokens that half of us don't have the money for, you know what I mean, in the beginning, you know. So let me know what you guys think about this Decubate Launchpad. What you guys think about this little Octavia, though? You know, this is it seems like a pretty good project, you know, and you know, it has a lot going for it so far. We'll see what it does, and I'm gonna do more research on this. You guys let me know what you guys think, if it's good for you. If it's not, leave a comment below, like the video, subscribe to the channel. To the next one. All right.